Grade A. Log it, please.
Confirmed. Look at this one.
Blemish is too deep. Move it to processing.
All right, verify the pumpkin puree shipment.
Confirmed, sealed, and ready for export. Have a good one.
The sugar content is exactly where we need it.
Good, pH is stable. I'll log this batch as approved.
The flow rate is holding steady at 500 units per minute.
Good. Keep monitoring the pressure in section 3.
Bring the load over to the conveyor now. Roger that. Lowering the claw.
The South American yields are exceeding projections by 15%.
Confirmed. I am rerouting the Brazilian shipment to Europe now.
Excellent. Monitor the sorting metrics closely.
Did you log the gauge readings for this row?
Yes, they match the control panel data exactly. The flow rate is optimal.
Check the reading on the left gauge. We need it lower.
Adjusting the knob now. Perfect, right where it should be.
The bricks reading is holding steady at 12.5.
Okay, logged. Looks good for the batch.
Check the quality on this lot here. Some of these pieces are slightly bruised.
Okay, I see it. I'll have them removed immediately.
The bricks reading is holding steady at 12.5.
Okay, logged. Looks good for the batch.
The temperature in vat 3 is holding steady.
Good. Keep the coolant flow at 50%.
Check the gauge on the left side. It seems slightly off the digital reading. Noted. I'll recalibrate after this batch.
Keep an eye on the viscosity levels here.
Looks good.
The flow rate is steady now. The flow rate is stabilizing now.
Good. Keep the shredder clear on your side. The bricks level is slightly high on this batch. Check the calibration.
Confirmed. Inputting the adjustment now.
The pressure looks stable on the gauge.
Yes, the calibration is holding steady. We are cleared for phase 2.
Reroute the China shipment through the new Arctic passage.
Acknowledged. Updating trajectory now.
The color saturation looks good on this batch, but I'm slightly concerned about the bricks level reading on screen 4.
I'm opening the steam valve now. Keep stirring.
Got it. Looks good.
The pressure is holding steady at 500 psi.
Good. The texture refinement is complete.
The pressure is still fluctuating on line 2.
I'm adjusting the valve now.
Looks stable?
The viscosity looks good, right on target.
Yeah, the automated adjustments are holding steady. We should pull a sample now. The color saturation is excellent, and the bricks level is right on target.
Confirmed on the monitor, batch 34 cleared for sealing.
We have a bottleneck forming at the washer.
Okay, increasing pressure now.
Here it is, the finest pumpkin puree in the country.
That's a wrap on the pumpkins. Best yield yet. Time to celebrate, boys.
Grab that bruised one on the left.
Got it. This one's completely rotten.
Torque applied. Seal is secure. Final check complete. Moving to export.
Increase the speed on the third line. We're falling behind.
All right, dialing it up now. Looks stable.
The pH is steady at 5.2.
And the bricks levels look good, 12.5.
All right, make sure that shipment is ready by 3. We need to clear space for the next batch. Pallet 105 is ready to move. All right, sending it down the line.
Watch your step, I'm bringing the next one in.
All right, this one is secure. Keep them coming.